My grandson was arrested for a felony. From what he had done, he could get up to 33 years in prison. When I was first looking for legal representation, I was just lost. I didn't know what to do or how to go about doing it. When I found Kratz Law Firm, I felt like the veil had been lifted. The weight was gone. I didn't know exactly what was going to happen, but I knew there was someone there to help. My grandson's situation has changed tremendously to no prison time, a possibility of 0 to 6 months jail time. But I see him coming out with no jail time.
Coming to a professional criminal defense attorney helps individuals formulate a plan from the initial appearance all the way through sentencing. Most of the clients who hire me do so because I was a former prosecutor. It's pretty easy to imagine that the 25 years of experience that I've had has given me the advantage of knowing exactly what it is that the prosecution is going to do with every step of their case. Most criminal defense attorneys handle a particular case trying to get somebody out of the immediate problem that they've gotten into. What I've come to learn in 25 years as a former prosecutor is that handling a case quickly, even with a fine or what would seem to be a relatively small consequence, can sometimes have long-term consequences. Whether those are employment consequences or getting a student loan in the future, it's always something in the back of our minds. Julia's grandson had the possibility of some very real, very long-term consequences. There were 14 criminal charges that he faced, all felony offenses, all carrying potential imprisonment. We secured a disposition for him that was going to keep it out of that life-changing kind of consequence. And so what we try to do at the Kratz Law Firm is to always think about somebody's future. I will never take a deal for a client that is going to be good at the time, but isn't going to be good in their future. The clients that come to the Kratz Law Firm come here when experience really matters.